About?
This is called the Solar Cool, so it's practically a...
It's called what? Solar Cool?
Solar Cool.
Okay, so that's...
So it's pretty much a
automatic solar-powered fan.
Okay.
So what you do with it, you put it onto your dashboard of your car, and you just leave it there. And once the temperature in your car goes up to 30 degrees Celsius, it will automatically turn on. The fan that's in the solar cool will automatically turn on.
Okay, so the system has a solar panel, it has a fan, and then it has a heating element?
heat switch.
Heat switch. Okay, so basically...
So, and this is meant for when parents leave their kids or pets in the car and it gets too hot.
Okay.
This will automatically turn on and cool down your car for you.
So there will be less deaths in hot cars, less pets or children dying in hot cars.
Okay, so that's the benefit of this, okay? And it's all driven by the solar panels, right? Do you have an idea how much this solar panel might cost? Is that too expensive?
We had a survey, and if you would like to take a look at here.
Okay.
Most people said it would cost $45.
So over here we made a graph.
You can see the price right
based
here.
on our survey, and it's
Most people are willing to pay around
$41 to $50.
Yes.
Okay.
So we decided on $45.99 as our price.
Okay, so this prototype could cost as much as $49.
This is a prototype. So like if we were to advance, it would not look like this because obviously it's a little bit
It's hazardous right now.
Okay.
It's kind of all over the place. But
Yeah.
you know, if we were to, take for this
So it could be really packaged to be a product, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Thanks, guys. So what's your name?
Jemima.
Okay, and you? And you? Okay.
And I'm Krisha.
Okay, so which school are you guys from?
Terry Fox Public School.
It's right there.
Okay, that's a great product. I like that.